We all talk about wanting a better future, right? But what does it actually look like to build one from the ground up? Today, we're going to look at an organization that's doing exactly that, literally planting the seeds of change to grow a better future for their entire community.
Just take a second and really picture that. This isn't just some hopeful daydream, it is the core vision of a social enterprise that is making this a reality, right now as we speak.
So who are the architects behind this incredible vision? Well, let's meet the organization at the heart of it all. Everything they do is built on three simple but powerful pillars: people, planet, and purpose.
This is Villa Farm Enterprise, or VFE for short. Now, they call themselves a social agribusiness venture, and that's a really key phrase. It means, yeah, they run like a business, but their main goal, their bottom line, isn't just about profits. It's about creating real, positive change for the environment and for the people in the Mutoko and Mutsi communities of Zimbabwe.
And here's what gets to the very heart of their work. VFE focuses its energy on empowering the people who are so often the true backbone of these communities: young people, women, and girls. By giving them the right tools, knowledge, and real opportunities, they're not just giving a handout, they're building a foundation for success that lasts.
And you know, none of this work happens by accident. It's all guided by a super clear set of values. Think of it like a compass for every single project they take on. This ensures their work is always collaborative, transparent, and built for the long haul.
Okay, so we get the why behind VFE. We get their mission. But what about the how? How are they actually on the ground turning that big, beautiful vision into something real and tangible? Let's take a look.
Their approach is really comprehensive. It's a six-pillar strategy that covers the whole shebang, from creating amazing products and connecting them to markets, all the way to essential training and pushing for bigger systemic change. Let's zoom in on a couple of these because they're pretty cool.
First up, the Makora Peanut Butter Project. I absolutely love this because it shows their model in action perfectly. They partner directly with women farmers, buying the ground nuts they grow. Then, VFE processes those nuts into a value-added product: delicious, nutritious peanut butter. This means more income for the farmers and a healthy food source for the whole community.
And it's not just peanut butter. They've also launched a super successful poultry brand called Mr. Say So. This is another fantastic example of creating local economic opportunities while also boosting food security with a whole range of products, right there where people live.
So you see, these individual projects are all threads in a much larger tapestry. Their work with traditional grains, that's directly building resilience against climate change. The training programs, that's the engine for farmer empowerment. And their advocacy work is all about creating lasting, system-wide change. Every single piece makes the whole thing stronger.
When you see all this incredible work, the natural question is, okay, so how does this connect back to me? How can someone who's not in these communities actually support this amazing story of change?
Well, VFE created a direct answer to that question, and its name is EcoBoss Smart. It's the bridge that connects the hard work of these farmers directly to your table.
So what is EcoBoss Mart? Think of it as this vibrant, eco-friendly food store and community marketplace. It's a real physical shop, but it's also available online. It's basically the front door to this entire ecosystem, designed to connect the producers with customers like us.
And this slide just nails the simple but profound problem it solves. See, before, there was this huge gap between the rural producers doing all the work and health-conscious consumers who wanted to buy their food. EcoBoss Mart creates a direct link. The result? Farmers get fair prices for their incredible products, and you get access to fresh, amazing food. It's a total win-win.
So, if this mission is resonating with you, if you want to be a part of building a more sustainable and just food system, then you are officially invited to join the movement. Here's how you can connect directly.
For anyone who wants to learn more, get in touch, or maybe even visit, here are their direct contact details right there in Mutoko, Zimbabwe.
You know, when you boil it all down, it comes to these three powerful things. You can support the mission, you get to taste the difference that this kind of agriculture makes, and in doing so, you become an active part of building that better future.
So I'll leave you with this one final thought. What if this simple choice of what's for dinner wasn't just about food, but about dignity, sustainability, and community? With organizations like Villa Farm Enterprise, it absolutely can be. What if your next meal could actually build a better world?